Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be, I'm going to be showing you how to make slime super simple, super easy. So let's get started. First, the glue. So I'm just gonna take the cap off. So yeah. Okay, I think I have all the glue out. Just gonna set that right there. Okay, now you're just gonna make sure not a lot of air bubbles are in there. Maybe if you want to, you could stir it up. Don't stir it up that much. And you can add your contact solution, and after you just check it and make sure there's not that much air bubbles in it. So yeah, I'm not gonna put that much, just a little bit. I'm gonna start with that much, and then just stir. Okay, so I'm going to put more contact solution in because it's not fully activated yet. Maybe I should put a little bit more in. I'm really scared I'm gonna put too much in because activator's super powerful. It looks like it's activating, but then it just waters down. Just gonna keep stirring, see what it does. Okay, nothing yet. It's not really clear glue anymore. There's so much air bubbles in it. Okay. Now does it take a long time to activate clear glue? Comment down below. I mean, it's still stretchy even though I put a activator in it. This should come together now. Yes. Oh my gosh, yes, it's coming together. There we go. Okay. So it's not as clear as I thought it would be because of so much air bubbles. I wonder when you put it in your tub and when you let it overnight just sit there, the air bubbles should be all out. So yeah, I mean, that's a satisfying poke. I just can't wait to put that blue in. But it's just so fun to play with when you just made it. It has a weird texture to it. It's so much more different than white glue. Okay, it's pretty stretchy. I'm just surprised how much activator I put in. It's still stretchy. Yeah. I like this slime. It's a bigger amount than what I thought it would be. When it's in the bottle, it's so small, but when you put activator, it absorbed all of it and so much more bigger. Okay guys, so I got most off of my hands. It's pretty easy. So we're gonna do the moment you all been waiting for, the food coloring part, aka the best part because it looks so much more pretty. But I kind of like how it is right now, but I just wish it had much more color. So we're gonna flatten it out a little. We'll make a little dome for it. Okay, so this is kind of food gel, but any type of food coloring is fine. Totally optional with the food coloring. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's all I'm gonna put in. Cause with this, it was so much. So okay. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I'm glad I put in one drop because I might have to put more. I don't know. I'll just have to mix it up and see what it looks like, but I think that's gonna be good. So yeah, we're just gonna mix it and I will show you the results to see if it needs more food coloring or if it doesn't. So yeah. Okay guys, so I think this is done. I think I'm gonna bring it out in the bowl. It's just so easy to take out. Look, just in one drop. Look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna scoot up closer. I don't know if you can see me, but this is the slime. Ooh, it's kind of that's just water. It is so pretty. And actually really big than what I thought it would be because it just expanded. Oh my gosh, it makes the perfect handprint. So I'm going to flatten this out a little bit. And then it just makes a hand mold. That's pretty cool. Okay. Okay, now the moment you were waiting for. Well, you saw it, but the finger poke. So satisfying. And this is pretty easy to just take off the like table that I'm using, the stool. That's what I'm using. Okay guys, so in about 2 days it became this awesome, so clear slime. Let me take it out. It is so clear. There's no air bubbles in it at all. It's kind of sticky. It's a little bit watery because obviously it's water slime. Like, it has to be watery. And I just love it so much. It is so awesome to play with. Oh my gosh. And it looks sticky, but actually it's so easy to just take it off like that. It's just so easy to take off. So yeah. There is my slime after 2 days. It is so clear. No air bubbles. Super crunchy. Kind of pokey. So yeah. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Comment down below if you think I did a good job or don't. It doesn't matter. Like and subscribe because me and my brother put a lot of work into our videos and it's free. So yeah. Bye.